What is up, Flowstar fam? My name is Matt, aka Flowstarpro, and today's tutorial is going to be a little bit different than what you typically see on this channel. Today we're going to be talking about breath control. Breath control is a gateway to really open up access to the flow itself. Very underrated, but today we're going to be focusing on really dialing in our breath. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's get started by talking about the technique itself. So what we're gonna wanna do is breathe in through our nose, breathe in, bring it all the way down to our belly, expand our belly, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna release through our mouth by taking it back up and out. It looks like this. Almost like taking a sigh. We don't want to force the breath out. We're just letting it go nice and gently. So breathe in and out. Imagine the breath like a wave. We're bringing it in and we're letting it go. We're breathing it in and we're letting it go, just like this. So by really being able to ground ourselves with this breath, we're able to tap into our flow state much faster than having it be chaotic breathing and just trying to focus more on the tricks themselves. When we're able to ground ourselves with the breath, we have that consistency. So no matter where the Flowstar is, in our tricks, in our transitions, we know where it's gonna be because we're grounded in our breath. For example, instead of focusing on the Flowstar like this and just being, very chaotic like this, going from one move to the next, we're able to just breathe. And there you have it. That is the basic breath control to get you started with hopping into your flow state much faster. I hope that you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe below. I trust you guys are having a beautiful day and we're looking forward to seeing you next week. Peace.